very good, excellent, very expensive, costly, very simple, basic, very clean, spotless, very dirty, filthy, very happy, joyful, very sad, mournful, very fast, speedy, very slow, sluggish, very hot, scorching, very cold, freezing, very big, massive, very small, tiny, very smart, brilliant, very dumb, foolish, very rich, wealthy, very poor, impoverished, very tall, towering, very short, petite, very loud, deafening, very quiet, silent, very easy, effortless, very hard, difficult, very strong, powerful, very weak, feeble, very tasty, delicious, very bad, terrible, very beautiful, gorgeous, very ugly, hideous, very thin, slender, very fat, obese, very bright, luminous, very dark, gloomy, very wet, soggy, very dry, arid, very soft, plush, very hard, rigid, very colorful, vibrant, very dull, bland, very noisy, raucous, very calm, serene, very interesting, fascinating, very boring, tedious, very careful, cautious, very careless, reckless, very fresh, crisp, very stale, musty, very crowded, packed, very empty, vacant, very new, brand new, very old, ancient, very young, youthful, very important, crucial, very unimportant, trivial, very funny, hilarious, very serious, grave, very wide, broad, very narrow, slim, very rich, decadent, very spicy, fiery, very sweet, sugary, very bitter, tart, very smooth, sleek, very rough, coarse, very heavy, weighty, very light, featherlight, very light, radiant, very modern, contemporary, very old-fashioned, outdated, very clear, transparent, very unclear, obscure, very loud, boisterous, very quiet, hushed, very high, steep, very low, bargain, very kind, benevolent, very cruel, brutal, very lively, energetic, very lazy, slothful, very polite, courteous, very rude, impolite, very busy, bustling, very relaxed, leisurely, very safe, secure, very dangerous, perilous, very warm, affable, very cold, aloof, very flexible, pliant, very rigid, inflexible, very honest, truthful, very dishonest, deceitful, very open, transparent, very secretive, clandestine, very optimistic, hopeful, very pessimistic, gloomy, very loyal, faithful, very unfaithful, treacherous, very creative, inventive, very uncreative, unimaginative, very popular, trendy, very wet, rainy, very dry, droughty, very humid, muggy, very windy, blustery, very stormy, tempestuous, very calm, tranquil, very interested, fascinated, very disinterested, indifferent, very famous, renowned, very unknown, obscure, very simple, elemental, very eager, keen, very friendly, amiable, very unfriendly, hostile, very healthy, vigorous, very unhealthy, ailing, very necessary, essential, very unnecessary, superfluous, very skilled, proficient, very unskilled, inept, very clean, fresh, very cluttered, messy, very motivated, driven, very unmotivated, apathetic. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!